Hey guys, I'm Danica Ferrante from beautyscraps.com, and I've got a quick video to share with you guys today. I thought this would be a fun one to make. For those of you that have been subscribing to my channel for a while, you might remember a few Smash That Paper Pumpkin videos. I created a few of those videos when I totally killed a kit and used up every last bit and showed you guys all of the cards I created with everything in the kit. So I have done it again. I actually subscribe to 2 paper pumpkins every month. I get 2 kits. I love it so much. And I get to create lots and lots of cards with them. So here you can see all of the cards that I created with 2 paper pumpkin kits. I actually made 36 cards this month. It's crazy. I can't believe I did it. I'm so proud of myself. So I've got all of these cards. Some of them I made videos for, some of them I didn't. So I thought I'd share them all with you guys, just to make a really quick recap of video to show you how I smashed my paper pumpkin. I do want to mention too, I started a paper pumpkin Facebook group where we can all share our paper pumpkin ideas with each other. So I'll leave that linked in the description box below. You can head on over and check that out. There's information over there all about Paper Pumpkin's Red Box Challenge. I'm also going to leave my celebration video linked in the description box below, so you can get all of my tips and tricks for celebration over there. Lots of good stuff in there to check out. So let's just make this quick and I'll show you all the cards. So I created this one just as the kit was designed. And like I said, I subscribe to 2 kits every month. So I made 8 of these guys. And I just love the kit designs. They're super, super cute. Now, in my first paper pumpkin video for December, I showed you this alternative idea. So this card kind of changes that square card that the kit was designed to make to be a standard size card. So I made a ton of these too. Some congratulations, some happy birthday. There's, let's see, there's 8 of these also. And if you guys subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, you saw that there was a little oopsie in the box last month. So Paper Pumpkin had a little bit of a mistake. They cut this die cut wrong. So they did include the corrected version inside the kit. We didn't have to wait for them or anything. But they also included the oopsie ones that were cut the wrong way. So that was awesome. It was a really nice little bonus. And I made some bonus cards using those oopsie die cuts. I already shared this over in the Paper Pumpkin group, but I made a ton of these. I think there's 8 of these also, because we got 4 of those oopsie die cuts in the kit. And like I said, I've got 2 kits. So I made most of these happy birthday because I desperately needed happy birthday cards right now. And then this, I think, was my next alternative idea that I shared over here on my channel. So it's really just using the stamp set in the kit with a little bit of cardstock for my stash. I think it came out really cute. And have a great day is just such a simple sentiment that's good for so many different occasions. I could even use these as a birthday card when I'm in a pinch or just to send to a friend just because, just to lift their spirits. It's always fun to get a little handmade card in the mail. I know it always makes my day better. So we've got, how many of these? 5 of these I did. And then this was the third and final alternative idea that I shared here on YouTube. And I made a bunch of these too. I think I made 7. Yeah, I made 7 of these. And I love that ribbon. I did run out of that crinkle ribbon that we got in the kit. So I took some of this beautiful ribbon that's in the New Occasions catalog, and I added that to some of those cards. Now, I do have blog posts for most of these cards over on my website. where I have all of the materials I used, linked to my online store. If I have inspired you to do a little bit of shopping, I always appreciate when you guys place orders with me, and I always send a handmade thank you card, so you might get one of these paper pumpkin cards as a thank you if you order from me this month. And I have a sales and specials page on my website too that tells you all about the deals going on right now, tells you all about celebration. And I also have a host code that you can use to get a free gift from me if you shop in my store using that code this month. So let me know if you guys have any questions about anything. I hope you enjoyed this quick little recap of everything I created using the December paper pumpkin kit. I'm hoping that I can make just as many cards using January's kit. This really was quite awesome to have 36 cards ready to go just from 2 simple kits, and they were so fun to make. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other fun crafty ideas, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.